Howdy, Michael, a Mercedes guy here. Just got another tank of oxygen. Now I've taken the top off. This is important. You want to purge out any dirt that might be in there with a quick blast. You're going to turn your head to do this. Okay. Then on goes the gauges and the regulator. Never put oil on these threads. That includes the acetylene. Never. Anyway, put on the regulator. And of course, tighten it with a big wrench. See if I've got one here. I may have to use a crescent. Yeah. Okay, that's ready to go. Now, acetylene always has left-hand threads when you're replacing that tank. And whenever you turn on your acetylene and oxygen, always turn your head completely, then turn on the valve. Why? Because, now I've never seen it happen, but it's known that these gauges can blow up. And there's a glass face, and you'll have glass embedded in your eyeballs. You don't want that. So you always turn your head when you're turning these valves on. Also, with your tanks, you want to have them strapped in. I got a heavy-duty bungee here that I use. Oh, man. Because you don't want this tank rocking around too much if there's going to be an earthquake. I'll use the second one down there. All right.